smart summon testing. I got my drone with me. We're gonna fly the drone up and get some aerial shots of what the car is doing, while I've also got this camera mounted in here, and I've got it mounted a little bit further back so you can see more of the front seats. I think it'll add to the effect of having the car empty and the steering wheel moving with nobody in here. So hope you enjoy. Alright, so right now I'm headed to our first spot that we're going to test. I'm going to drive it around to the front side, around the corner on the other side of this building over here. Smart Summon gives you a radius of, I want to say it's like 328 feet or something like that. It's over a football field away. Bring it like way over here, like right here. Pull in frontward so I can make it back out. Put it in park. Alright, I'm getting out. Next time I see the car, it should be around there by the other awning. Catch you later. Alright, test number 2 from the top of the parking lot. Alright, that was take 2, so this is going to be our third test, and I'm going to go around to the back side of this other building, around the corner, kind of see which direction it decides to take. Let's see if it can find us over here. It should. Let's go all the way to this corner. Really hidden over here. All right. Alright, this is test 4, and we're just doing this one. It's kind of a closer test, but I'm parked right next to another vehicle because the rest of them were by itself.